In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit your Google business profile. Having an up-to-date and accurate business profile on Google is crucial for visibility and can make a huge difference in how customers find and interact with your business. Let's dive right in and walk through the process step by step. To start, we begin by visiting business.google.com. Once there, you'll see the option to sign in at the upper right corner. Click on this button and it will ask you to log in using the Google account associated with your business. Whether it's your Gmail or another email that you have linked to your business, make sure you have access ready before you start. If you're already logged in, then you're all set. Google will automatically direct you straight to your business page. In case you come across any issues logging in, or if you're exploring alternate routes, you can simply go to google.com and type My Business in the search box. This search will guide you to your business page from where you can access your profile. Once you're on your business page, you'll notice several icons displayed on the top of the screen. These icons offer a range of options for managing your profile. To update your details, find and click on the Edit Profile option. Clicking Edit Profile opens the doorway to numerous options. You have the ability to adjust essential business information as needed. Let's break it down by sections. First is the About section, where you can ensure that your business name, categories, description, and opening date accurately represent what you offer. Moving on, the Contact area is where you update your phone number and website URL, a vital aspect, as it ensures potential customers can easily reach you. Next, update your location. It's important to have a correct address, and if you're a service business, to specify the areas you serve. This makes it easier for local customers to find you during their searches. Don't forget to set your operating hours in the Hours section, including any special hours for holidays or other occasions. Under More, you can add rich media to enhance your listing. Add photos showcasing your business or products, and include any unique attributes such as being a Black-owned or women-owned business. To edit any part of your profile, simply click on the pencil icon next to the information you'd like to change. After making your desired updates, be sure to click Save to ensure all changes are applied, and there you have it. An updated Google business profile can significantly improve your online presence, drawing more customers to your business. Thanks for watching today's guide, and be sure to subscribe for more helpful instructions.